I'm going to show you how to undo typing on the Samsung keyboard. So I just finished writing something, and I want to undo that last word. What you're going to do is take two fingers, place them on your keyboard, and swipe to the left. It'll undo the word. Swipe to the right, redo. Left and right, undo and redo, just like Ctrl+Z would work on a computer. Now, one thing to note, you'll need to enable this in your settings if you haven't already. So go to Settings, and then scroll down to General Management. Then we'll go to Samsung Keyboard Settings, and scroll down to Swipe, Touch, and Feedback. From this menu, we're going to go to Keyboard Swipe Controls. And here, if you have Swipe to Type selected, you'll want to switch it to Cursor Control. Cursor Control is what gives you that nice little undo gesture that we were just doing. But it also allows you to press and hold space, and you can move the text cursor easily anywhere within your text, like you do on an iPhone, if you're familiar with that. Anyways, that is how you undo typing on the Samsung keyboard. If you're using Gboard as your keyboard, it has a different gesture for this, and I have a separate video showing how to use that. I'll link it in the description if you want to check it out next. That's it. Click that like button if this video helped you, share this video with a friend, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, till next time.